Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a really simple, fun mani that is perfect for then transition into fall and a spooky season. We are going to create a set of press-ons on the shape medium almond. I felt like medium almond was perfect for this cozy style look. And we're also going to be using brand new colors from Revel. So this is going to be a great way for you to see some of the new colors in action so you can see how they perform and if a color is going to be right for you. A lot of times, especially when I'm working with dip powders, I really like to see them being used so I can get a good feel on how these powders perform, and I also get to see the true color because a lot of times when you're looking at a website, the colors can be a little off, so I definitely like to see the colors being used before I add them to my cart. And we are using dip liquids today. They are from Sparkle & Co. Anytime I'm incorporating dip powders into my press-on sets, I do like to use a very thin viscosity, and the Sparkle & Co. dip liquids definitely work best when you are creating press-ons. Now for today's look, we're going to keep it really simple. We're going to do an all-over color. We're going to incorporate 3 colors, and then we're going to go ahead and add some really fun, easy nail art. Now I will say, if you ordered the Maniology Box of Gloom box, it's a Halloween countdown box, and if you ordered that and you want that to be a complete surprise, I am just giving you a little warning. I am going to be using one of the stamping plates from that box. So if you are not looking for spoilers of that, when we get to the stamping part, you might want to just click out of the video. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up there that we are going to be using one of the plates from that box. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into these beautiful powders, and then I will see you all in my next one.